Hello children, welcome to my channel Let's Learn with Monami. Hello Monami.
Hello teacher.
And say hello to your friends.
Hello friends.
Today I have a box of sounds and you have to guess the sound. Okay?
Okay.
So let us hear the sounds. Can you tell me? What sound is this?
Is it a bell?
Yes, very good. Now hear this sound.
It's a cat. Cat.
Yes. Now guess this one.
It's a bird. Bird.
Yes, very good. Now listen to this sound.
Water?
Yes, water. So you can hear different types of sounds, isn't it?
Yes.
Similarly, all these letters, they have their sounds. So in this series, we are going to learn the sound of letters. Let us see what do we have in our magic basket. What is it, Monami?
It's a spoon.
Very good. Now next. What is this?
It's a ship. Ship.
Yes, it's a ship. Now, what is this?
It's sauce. Sauce.
Yes. Now this one.
Sandwich.
Yes. When we say the words ship, sauce, spoon, the beginning sound is S. That is the sound of letter S.
S.
Yes. This is the big S and this is the small s. This is the big S and this is the small s. Big S or capital S, small s. They look alike, but the difference is in their size. Small s is small and big S is big. Name of the letter is S and the sound is S. What is the sound?
Miss,
Yes?
it sounds like my granny's pressure cooker.
Does it sound like your granny's pressure cooker? Yes, it sounds like that. Right. Let us say this sound loudly. Now say it softly. Now let us say it to each other. Now say it to your friends. Now let's see where the sound is coming from. Now Monami is going to find out from where the sound is coming.
There it is.
Yes.
Yes, it's here.
Good.
It's there. There in the sky. There in the sky. Yes, miss. It's under the table.
Yes. You can understand the sound of letter S. So what is the sound of letter S? So what is the sound of letter S, children? Loudly, slowly, softly. Correct. Well done. Now it is activity time. Circle the letter S in the word buzz. Squirrel, mushroom, chess. Well done. Let us revise what we have learned today. Which letter is this?
S.
Big or small?
Big.
This is big S and this is
Small S.
And what is the sound of letter S? What is the sound of letter S, children? Well done! So, today we have learned the sound of letter S. In our next episode, we will learn the sound of another letter. Till then, keep smiling and stay blessed.
And please do not forget to
Like, subscribe and share the channel. Bye! Say bye to your friends, Monami.
bye.